Good evening, everyone. It is July 18th, 2017. We're doing a quick one box break. 2017 Topps Archives Baseball Hobby Box one box break. Number 3. 2 random teams each. So let's roll the dice. I've got a 5 and a 3, so we're going to go 8 times on the list of names and the teams. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th and final time. Brian Matoy, Last Ball Mojo at the top. Raymond, you're at the bottom, man. So that was 8 times. Yep. Alrighty. So now, 8 times on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th and final time. After 8 times, we have the Marlins at the top. Dodgers are at the bottom. Oh yeah, I think he said he wanted to at least get one of them. I mean, it'd be pretty tough for him to collect all 10. And I'm not sure what they're gonna sell for, but I remember he said a friend said that they'd sell for over $100, just because collectors love to collect every single, non-sport, non-baseball sets from Ginter. Alrighty, so Brian, Last Ball Mojo with the Marlins. Nathan, you got the Red Sox and the Chicago Cubs. Michael G with the Royals. Brian Matoy, Last Ball Mojo with the Indians. Michael G with the Braves. Darren, you got the Reds. Alan with the Diamondbacks. Raymond, you have the Pirates. Juan with the Twins. Nathan, you have the Mets. Anthony T with the Blue Jays. Dustin, you have the Angels. Juan with the Rangers and Brewers. Nathan, you have the Orioles and the Seattle Mariners. Raymond with the Nationals. David H with the Rockies. Lunzilla with the Yankees. Anthony T with the Giants. Darren with the A's. Alan with the Padres. Dustin with the White Sox. Raymond with the Cardinals. David H with the Phillies. Juan with the Astros. Nathan, you have the Tampa Bay Rays. Lunzilla with the Detroit Tigers. And Raymond with the LA Dodgers. So I'm going to quickly pause this video just to see if there is any trades. And if not, we'll come back and open up this one box break Archives Baseball. So stick around. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades, so here's the list again. Archives Baseball Hobby one box break. Number 3, random teams. Last Ball Mojo, Brian Matoy with the Indians and the Marlins. Here's the rest of the list. Good luck to everybody. We got about 8 boxes left. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, and 10. So, let's generate one of these boxes for this break right here. And box 4 is available, so we're going to do box 4 in this break. Right here. The rest of these will be for future one box breaks, and I did put another one back into the store. Jaspy's Hobbyland 10-buck breaks. Good luck. No, we haven't got a Judge autograph yet. I pulled like a Judge rookie card. We put like a Judge rookie card. I think the first time I did this break, I didn't do number 2. I think Nick Jaspy on Friday must have done number 2. I don't think there's been a Judge yet. Sometimes I forget when people are messing around, right? But all I know is the Judge rookie cards do sell for like $20 to $25, so. And the Archives autographs are crazy. But Archives always sells very well. Find exclusive Derek Jeter retrospective cards as well. 2 on-card autographs per box. In the item description, lets you know everything you need to know. But from what I know of, I think no vet base. Everything else will ship. So all the inserts, all the rookie cards, numbered cards. I don't think no vet base. All the answers to most of all the breaks have in the description what ships and what doesn't. And if it doesn't say anything, then that means most likely it all ships. But we do a pretty good job of putting in a description, so all you gotta do is read it. Alright. Good luck. Raleigh fingers. Nelson Cruz. Wow, look at that. Nelson Cruz, 1 of 1 for the Seattle Mariners. Nathan Jackson, there you go, man. Seattle Mariners, Nathan Cruz, Nelson Cruz, 1 of 1. There you go, Dallas. One of 1. That's the way to start off the break. Babe Ruth. 148 of 199 for the Yankees. It's going to Lunzilla. I know, I'm so used to calling you Dallas, so I just continue to do it. Alex Bregman, mini. Wow, look at that. Okay. 2017 Topps Archives Baseball fan favorite autograph, George Bell. Redemption, George Bell. You guys know who that guy plays for? Let me open up the checklist really quick. No train whistles here, man. That's not my thing. Blue Jays? Alright, I just want to confirm it and make sure and show everybody on the screen really quick. I don't do no train whistles. Although I would give you my siren, but batteries ran out, so have to get new batteries for that. Alright, so yes, you're right, Lunzilla. I just want to make sure, though. George Bell, Toronto Blue Jays from 1984. So, Toronto Blue Jays. That's another, was it Blue Jays? Anthony T with the Blue Jays. So, you guys can see right there. Here's a checklist so you guys can check it out. If you guys are watching live, if you're on YouTube and watching the replay of the video, just skip through this part. Alright. Why does it look blurry? That's true. It did look blurry for a little bit right there. Alright. I mean, there are inserts in here, but, I mean, I don't think they're too hard to figure out. We do a good job of pulling out the inserts. Our sorters have done a lot of this stuff, so if I miss anything, if you guys are watching and you guys know what's an insert and like what's a super short print or whatnot, you guys let me know. But this is the first stack right here. So I'll put Blue Jays on this redemption. Alright, not a bad box so far. We got a Derek Jeter. I think think there's one of those retrospective cards. Yeah, they do. They do. Yankees. Chris Bryant mini. Mike Piazza, Dodgers. All right. Juan Gonzalez, Brooke Robinson. Rookie stars, Andrew Benintendi for the Boston Red Sox. Derek Jeter. Another Derek Jeter, 77 of 99. Yankees. It's another hit for Lunzilla. Let me know if I pass a Judge rookie card. I don't think I've passed one yet. So. And another hit for the Blue Jays. Look at that. No numbered on. Oh, there is a number on that. 74 of 75. So there you go. That's another hit for Anthony T and the Blue Jays. There's Aaron Judge, rookie star. Not bad right there. Actually, let me go get more sorry about that, guys. I was running out of regular penny sleeves. So I don't want to put that Judge in a huge penny sleeve either. Put in the right one. And put in the right top loader. So there you go. This was the closest, Jason, but still plenty of time to get more rallies done. And we have a Tyler Austin. Man, for a second there, I thought that was a Judge. That is a 10 of 25. Another hit for the Yankees. I'll put in a top loader, Nathan. Andrew Miller for the Indians. 31 of 199. Cleveland Indians. Brian Matoy, Last Ball Mojo. Jodiel, rookie. Tyler Austin, rookie. Tom Glavine, mini. And there you go. So, guys, that was the break. Pretty solid one box, if you ask me. A couple numbered cards. Tyler Austin to 25. Aaron Judge, rookie. 2 Blue Jay autographs. Another Derek Jeter numbered. A couple Derek Jeters in here. Blue Jays. George Bell. Fan favorite autograph. Yankees. Babe Ruth. And a 1 of 1 Nelson Cruz for the Mariners. Jaspy's Hobby Land, $10 breaks. We have another break of this in the store if you guys want to run one back. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.